Oh yeah, you can drop some of lavender oil so it will smell good. You can drop any of your favorite lavender oil or any smell that you like. Ready? Smells so good. Can smell the carrots too. All right. Look at how much we have. You can put it in here. This can go here. This can go here. If you don't like this smell from the carrot, like I said, if you have your lavender oil, any oil that your choices smell good for you, you can drop a couple of it in. Okay. Hello. I discovered something that my Jamaica friend taught me how to do it. This is orange, all right? I washed the orange. This is the carrots. I'm going to peel them. And this is clove, okay? Clove and coconut oil. I have coconut oil here. You know the sun is so hot, so when you go outside, the sun will be on your face the whole day. So people change, your color change in summertime, especially summertime. And you can see your face is a little dark spots. You have an acne. If you want your face to be shining and smooth because of the weather change, your face change. All right, winter time your face can be so smooth, but when the weather change to become summer, then your face becomes so dark and rough and really peel. Okay, so I have my orange peel. I peel my orange and I cut it in small pieces. I'm going to peel this, then we'll put it together. Let's peel the carrot. So a whole 1 orange peel. I'm going to use 2 carrots. And we all know carrot is very good for your skin. Even when you eat carrot, your skin becomes so smooth. So we are using the carrot to make our carrot oil. So you can mix with your cream, okay? Now that we have the carrot, we cut it. Let's shred it. Shred it in small pieces so we can get every bit of it. Please, in case you don't have the peeler like this, you don't have this peeler, you can use this, okay? You can use the grater to grate it. Right. Okay, now everything is being grated or cut it in small pieces. You can cut it, you can blend it, wherever you want to do it. However you want to do it, that's good. I shred my carrots, cut some. So I got about 6 or 7 pieces of cloves, okay? It's a little burnt, so don't take that much because you are going to use this oil for your skin and your face. So don't take too much clove. You don't want to burn the skin. It's not going to burn your skin, but I think it's a little hot, you know. So don't put it too much, maybe 10 or 8. I have my oil here, coconut oil. I have my bowl. Let's put some here, and the clothes go on top of it. All right, we are going to pour the oil and fill it all the way up. We are doing this oil, we are making this oil for winter and summer, you know. If you need it just a little bit, you don't have to grate too much of it. You can use 1 carrot, half orange, but I'm doing this summertime, but this oil will stay until winter, because summertime, you know, you have a lot of sun, the sun has burned your face, you are turning into so dark. This is going to shine your face and brighten your skin. Okay, I'm going to pour the oil on top of my carrot and the orange. All right, you can choose to use a big bowl. Let's turn this fire on. Okay, this is going in. Okay, maybe the fire, the water is too much. Let's pour some here. Going to put this one in. All right, this is going to boil. I will let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes until we get the oil, until we see the coconut oil has changed into the color. All right, you can use a bigger bowl, you can use less oil, you can use more oil. I'm doing this, I'm going to leave it for a whole winter. You just have any moisturizer you need, just mix this oil with your moisturizer or use it alone. You see your skin in a 1 month. My Jamaica friend taught me or showed me how to do this oil. So we are going to boil this until you see all the carrot has turned into the color and orange. Okay guys, you see how the oil has changed the color. Okay, this has to be, the water have boiled for 10 minutes. I'm going to let it boil another 5 minutes, then I will turn the fire off and let this cool down, or I can leave it for overnight. So I will see you tomorrow morning and show you how this oil has turned into the color. Okay, you see the carrot is going to make your skin so smooth, and the orange is going to shine your face, shine your skin. Sometimes you can see someone's skin is like too smooth and shine bright. That's what orange does. And the cloth is going to tighten the skin. If you are having losing skin, you are having wrinkle, the cloth is going to fight for wrinkles and tighten your skin. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow, because if you leave it in overnight, you get more color, you get more everything that come from the carrot and the orange. See you tomorrow. Okay, now our oil is ready. I was thinking to leave it overnight, but I'm in a hurry. Okay, tomorrow I'll go to work. I don't think I'll have time for it. So I leave it in the fire, turn the fire off and leave it for 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. You see how yellow it is? The carrot and the orange have done his job, and clothes has done its job too. So we are going to strain it. I have my strainer here, so let's strain this. All you have to do is pour everything here. Okay, is it not beautiful? Is it not amazing? When we're doing this process, please make sure there's no water go in. Okay, the reason why you put the oil and the carrot in the hot water, trying to get rid of all juice water in, because you don't want this oil to be watery, because you are going to use this oil in months. You see, this is a little dry, like no water in. All right, if water goes in, it won't be good, it can't stay. I'm going to pour this here. Okay, it looks so amazing. If you have any cream that you use, you can pour some in. Like this is the moisturizer I use. Coconut is my favorite thing. This is my moisturizer I use. It's natural, it's good. This is for my son. You have different kind of lotion you use. All you do is just pour some in. All right, and mix it. especially summertime. You mix this, pour some in the container like this. I tell you, you can store this outside for 2 or 3 months. If you do it well and there's no water in, you are good to go. All right, I'm going to pour some in my cream that I use, or my moisturizer that I use. This is really good for winter time. You see, the winter your skin gets so dry, then you're looking for baby oil to mix with your cream. This is the oil that you use and you will never regret, because the carrot is going to make your skin so smooth, and the orange is going to make your skin so shining and perfect good. You can see someone's face or see someone's body. Oh, she have a very beautiful smooth skin. Yep, you go out and buy the oil, body cream oil, whatever oil is it, it's too expensive. This is natural. This cloth is going to make your skin tight, okay? Because we all know, you see that there's no water because I cook it in the hot water. So this is dry, very dry. There's no water. If you can do this and don't let any water go to this oil, it can stay for 3 months up to a year. All you have to do is just mix some with your cream. I tell you, if you go to store and they make this oil, jojoba oil, whatever oil it is, let me tell you, I bought this oil. You know how much it costs? Skin therapy. And look at, is it not the same? Is it not the same? Even my color is really perfect. This is really expensive. You can make your own oil, I tell you, and you know what you put it in. You won't believe how your skin will get smooth. So this is the end of my Jamaica remedy, home remedies, smooth skin. You can use any oil your choice. You can use baby oil, you can use olive oil. I choose to use coconut oil. You can use any oil, Johnson & Johnson baby oil, okay? And if you really need really quick results, when you wake up in the morning, just dip your finger in like this. If you have a dark spot in your eyes, under your eyes, dark spot under your eyes, just dip your finger. Let me put the rest here. Just dip your finger into this oil, okay? Every dark spot that you want to fade, just put it here and put it on that dark spot. A month later, you will see all the dark spot has faded, okay? So this is the end of my homemade smooth and soft and shining oil. Next time I'll bring more, because my Jamaican friend is ready to teach me a lot of stuff that Jamaican people have good color, they have strong fit body. You see Jamaican people, Jamaican people are so strong. They have a lot of home remedies, okay? They have a very good smooth skin. People will say, oh, because they live in Ireland. Yeah, you live in Ireland, you still have to take care of your body, your skin, your everything, okay? Thank you so much to follow me step by step. Next time, I will bring more cream, more beautiful remedy that you can do at home. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my Facebook, Family Chef Kitchen. So anytime I post the video, you'll be the first to know. I smell the coconut. I smell the carrots. So good. Don't forget to be kind and nice to everyone. Family Chef, I'm going to use this in a month time. You see the beautiful results. Okay? Have a good night. Bye-bye.